It is better to not chase the breeze. Saying Nasdaq and even S&P, the market is decoupled. Nasdaq is bearish, and S&P is not so bearish. Be patient, and there will be a setup. Do not chase this. This is not a market structure on the 1 minute line. This is not a market structure. This might be just liquidity grab in this dump. Most of them will see this as market structure shift, as there is an SMT between E-mini and Nasdaq. You see this. This is not an SMT. The height frame analysis shows it's bearish. See, one now shows bearish. The shift and dumped. The daily time frame. Daily is as you can see, daily was rejected from the inverse. The high time frame analysis is bearish as this rejected from inverse value gap of the daily. Okay, so we can expect price to reach here. For the weekly objective, it can just come here or fill in this value. Yeah, That's a possibility. So focusing on now. Today the objective is taking this slow. Yeah. Why? Because it's a daily law. The orders liquidity is stacking up here, and the another time frame is broken. Mm, disrespecting the bullish PDRs. Yeah, that's it. You can see this today. As you can see, today is a good day to. So this is a weekly template. Yeah, Jura Singh, market open, Jura Singh, rejected, retested to the opening price, then dumped. New York open has some retracement or London lunch. Then New York open showed weakness. Up to London close, there will be downside movement. Basically, it can take this first again. Okay, let's see any other. Okay. இப்போதைக்கு இப்போதைக்கு இந்த ட்ரேட் எடுக்காமல் இருக்கிறது நல்லது. Why? Because as I said earlier, market வந்து bearish, but it is just disrespecting the CB. So, but on the 15-minute, it is inside our CB. Okay. And 1 hour பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, this is a weekly gap. Yeah, you see here, this is a weekly gap. Fill பண்ணிட்டு rejection. So it looks bullish, at the same time bearish. If you see both sides the market moving, it's better not to trade. Yeah, that's just the objective. I don't see bearish prices any sooner. But that doesn't mean I'm going bullish. This is just high resistance liquidity run. Yeah, this is low resistance. It didn't respect the mitigation block. We will wait up till main threshold of the mitigation block. It's inside of a 15 minutes away. Then the one okay, just reach there. If there is a rejection here, market's heading here. Okay, let's see. Okay, we got filled. Stop loss was above That's so 14 points. Yeah, it's good to test it. It's rejection from 15 8. Yes, rejection from 15 minute. And the only thing that uh, doesn't support is 5 minute. Yeah, 5 minute. It's inversed. At the same time, the consecutive with this is attained. Let's see what happens. Mm. And the one hour also it supports rejection of the last upper candle. Yeah. So let's see how the market responds. Mhm. So far so good. Okay. For take profit, where would you place the TP? Yeah. So here, let's say, as I initially said, the take profit goes to area. What does that just feels too greedy? Okay. Let's see how this plays out first. Mhm. You can trail the stop, yeah. And if you are new and you are afraid to hold that for that long, I am new too. So I'll do just you see if if broke this and create another fairly value gap, that would be another entry, right? So you see there's no fair value gap, it's just let's see. I'll show you when the market creates that. If you feel like you are risking more, just take a 1:1, yeah? This is 1:1. You can take that and practice that daily. That's just how many points is that? Yeah, let's see. You just need a solid 20. Yeah, this is 21 points. That's more than enough for being that builder, yeah. It's just detailing. Let's wait. Only 5 minutes shows bullishness. Other shows bearish. You see this inversion. Okay, so far so good. If this creates a fair value gap, you can just move the stop loss to break even or to high of this candle. It seems it doesn't want to create a fair value gap. Yeah, literally no near drawdown here. Let's see how this pans out. It's not creating fair value gap. That's why I'm not shifting the stop loss. I said I will show you how to move to break even so fast. Yeah, but this is not what I expected to do. And now S&P is falling too. See, S&P is falling too. Let's see what just happens. Okay, so far so good. Seeing as this didn't create an fair value gap, if an up close candle encloses a down close candle, I'll move the stop to break even. Just for safety. I'll take 60-80% of most of the portion of this low, yeah, and move to break even and leave till here. Okay, seeing just mode. Wait a minute, seeing it moved. If you are taking most of the position here and it moved towards to 80% of your target, you can move this to here. Stop to here. Yeah, that's just good habits. That doesn't mean that you're afraid of, you're being pessimistic that the market will stop you out. See, this is what I didn't want to see. So there's a volume imbalance here. I will leave up to here, and let's see what the 5 minutes doing. Okay, so far so good. 5 minutes. Okay, you see, just didn't respect the inversion. It's just moving down, so it's good. It can up to come to the 50% of wick. So being break even is safer side. Most will take this entry. That's just too reckless. You only need, if you are targeting this, you should only take the entry with this 50%. You should not take this inversion as an entry, you know. It's leaving too much of empty spaces. Yeah, here too, but I don't want market to come fill here, so I'll take just one. Okay, just one of 0.3. Okay, now only 0.2 is there. I'll take another point this low and leave the rest to here. This is just reckless, you know. If you're seeing this 50%, the fuck? Okay, 50%. You say you can't take, you should only take entries above here, not below if you're targeting this. But if you are targeting this, this is a good entry. This is just respecting the weekly open. I don't like that. I secured a small amount of partial profits. If this stops fine, that's okay, but it may not. This is just high resistance liquidity, and comparing this to this is just garbage. See, don't know what the market's doing right now. It might come, you see, this. It's just coming here. And that's aligning with the volume imbalance, pulled that. It was good to secure some profits. Yeah. Okay, let me show you that easy break-even strategy. Okay. So if you are entering on this, okay, this is considering market open. Okay, you'll place the stop loss here. Then if the market takes this low and creates a fair value gap, you can move the stop to here. You are entering here and it's moving the stop. You are already in profit. If this creates another fair value gap, you can move the stop to here. If it creates another value, move to here. Okay. If this takes and there is no fair value gap, you still have to keep the stop here and stop out. This is still in profit, right? That's more than enough. Let's see what the market's doing. If that was the case, okay, let's see. If here you can see this is the higher resistance liquidity run, right? You say market structure shift. If we consider this market structure shift and creating a fair value gap, you can take an entry here, smooth stop here. Took this high, there's no fair value gap. Took this high, there's no fair value. Took this high, there is a fair value gap. So keeping the stop from here to here, you're already in profit. Yeah, you ultimately stopped out, but you secured some profits, right? That is what matters. You don't need high risk to reward ratios. You just okay. So if you are taking this entry here, this is just bullshit because you are inside of a 15-minute fair value gap, CB, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, and you are inside of a 5-minute CB and 1 hour rejected from a CB. If you are taking this entry here, you will be brutally stopped here. That's a loss. You are entering into the market and you are taking loss. You should not blame others. You are taking entry based on your theory. Just create your own model. You see, if I move the stop here to volume imbalance, I will be stopped out, but it's going in this direction and 5 minutes is supporting that. You see, it is still inside of a 5-minute CB. So far so good. It's just high resistance liquidity run. Yeah, scaring out the sellers. Stupid market. You see, brutally stopped. That's what I was saying. Okay, now this creates a fair value gap. Now I can move the stop to here. Because this should be another entry for some. If they enter then here, they will keep the stop in here. So why not move the stop if we entered above? See? This created a fair value gap. If this creates another fair value gap, you still need to keep the stop here unless until this low is taken. Remember, I'll take some another 50% off in here. Just remember that. This is what I was saying. If you are entering here, you will keep the stop here, right? So if it's stopped out, this is not a bad entry, right? This is still inside of a 15%. You say? No, no, no. This is below 50%. That. If you're targeting this, as I said, that's a good entry. But entering in here, taking it here, that's also good. But this is about 1:1, or maybe less low. Okay. Market's just waiting. If this pans out, there will be a silver bullet, right? In the form of higher time frame institutional order flow, creating a fairway gap, entering on a fairway gap, having stop above. Yeah, so far so good. You said this is it's just filled every volume imbalance, and then that's moving lower. How's 5 minutes looking? Yeah, 5 minutes looking. 10 minutes good. One has looking, and there's 20 minutes to 25 minutes to complete this candle. 1 hour candle. Is it still inside? Did we say? Can it say 4 hour? Okay. If we say the 4 hour, okay. Is it? Okay. This might hold. There's still 2 hours left. Okay. There is one 4 hour here. Okay. Let's see what this one has. Do you think the market would come here, stop me out, and reach here and then dump? I don't think so. If this stop me out, we can expect this tomorrow or on the PM session. Oh, it's just this is what I'm saying. Dumped Ching. It doesn't know where it was going. 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Okay, it's better to take one of two. Let's just get stopped out. If it stops out, yeah. What's wrong with getting stopped? It's just a lesson. It doesn't mean a single stop out will terminate my trading career. Yeah, getting stopped. Just okay. Secured about. Okay. 3. Okay, I risked about entered here, right? Risked. Entered here. 69, yeah. 81. 12 points. Okay. Yeah, 12 points. Secured some at here. That's 45 points, yeah. No, no, no. Some here. That's 30 points. Then stop that. 8 points. I would say that was just good. A good lesson, yeah. I'm up $4, risking 1% and stopping out at $4, 1%, 1%. And that's not a bad entry. 1:1. I could have got about 1:5. This is exactly 1:2, 2.77. I was targeting here for maximum position, that's 3. And here, oh, that's 6. But just, I got about 3. That's good. I'd say that's good. So, one setup a day. That's it for me, I would say. And see you guys tomorrow. Ta-ta.